Good morning, beautiful. Okay, so it's probably not morning anymore, but I woke up like an hour ago. Whatever, don't judge me. Anyways, today I'm gonna do this Steelers inspired look. I'm a YouTube fiend, so I watch a lot of other makeup tutorials, and what I've noticed is that people are mainly going for just the black and yellow. So I've decided to be a little bit different and mix in some white and not be entirely too obvious with the black. And not play the song Black and Yellow. Sorry if that's what you were looking for, you're not gonna get it. But if you do like this look and you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. I already applied mascara and primed my lid with NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk. Okay, now I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to pick up some white eyeshadow. Just flat, matte white. I'm going to pick up this one down in the corner. Okay, now that's going to go in to the inner corner and all the way up. Bring that down to the bottom corner. Okay, now I am going to pick up. Oh, you got a toy?
Yes, 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 yes.
Here it is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, now I'm going to pick up some yellow on just this little fluffy angled brush. Don't really know where it came from. Okay, I'm going to pick up this yellow right there. That's gonna go on my outer corner. You can use any yellow you want, just make it like a bright, deep, sunny yellow. I don't know if bright and deep go together, but just go with me here. Okay, I'm gonna take a flat angled brush and pick up that same yellow on the end of it and put that right down under my lash. I primed that as well with Milk. And bring that up and blend it in with the top. Now for the black of the Steelers colors, I'm going to take just my angled eye brush and I'm going to pick up some Fluid Line and Black Track. And I'm going to make a nice thick line on my upper lash. And I'm going to wing it out. Make a nice point. Okay, now that I have a nice thick line, I'm going to take the same Black Track eyeliner and line my waterline. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied my blush and my lip gloss as usual, curled my lashes. and I'm finished. So yeah, that's pretty basic. Let me know your requests or your suggestions on here or on Facebook and on Twitter, and those links will be down below. And yeah, watch the rest of my videos because you're cool like that, and I thank you for it. You guys have a good day, and I hope you like this.